In this video, I'll show you how to use Supabase MCP step by step. First, go to the Supabase website and log into your account. After logging in, open the project you want to use. Now, make sure the project APIs are active. MCP allows external tools to connect directly to your Supabase project. Now open the tool that supports MCP. Inside the tool, look for the MCP integration option. Choose to connect to Supabase. The system may ask for authorization to access your project. Confirm the requested permissions. During setup, the system may ask for API-related information. After authorization, the connection will be completed automatically. Once connected, the tool can access resources such as the database, tables, and project configuration. This helps automate tasks and integrate Supabase with external tools.